Welcome to Verizon Innovative Learning. Wow, this object looks real, doesn't it? But when I try to touch it, there's nothing there. What's going on here? The answer is holography. Holography is a method of capturing patterns of light to produce a three-dimensional object. When these patterns of light are captured, a hologram is the result. The word hologram comes from the Greek terms holos, for whole view, and gram for writing or drawing. Holography was first developed in 1947 by scientist Denis Gabor for the purpose of improving the resolution of the electron microscope. It wasn't until 1960, when the first laser was developed, that holography could mature as a technology. The pure, intense light of a laser was ideal for making holograms. These developments and others over time have made it possible for you to create a hologram of your own using the Liddy Holo hologram kit. So, what makes holograms so special? The regular two-dimensional pictures we typically see do not have any depth in them. They only show shades of light. A hologram is special because it records not only the shades of light, but also the direction of light travel as it hits the special hologram film plate. This extra effect gives the hologram its three dimensions, which make you think the object it shows is real. Most holograms are created by splitting one laser beam into two. The two beams are called the object beam, which reflects off the object, and the reference beam, which goes right into the film. These two split beams meet back again at the hologram film as a result of the way that the laser, the beam splitter, the object, and the hologram film are positioned. When the beams meet back on the hologram film, they interfere with each other, causing an interference pattern. The interference pattern is when waves of light cross each other. As they cross or interfere with each other, the light waves stand still, allowing them to be captured on the special hologram film. This is what forms the hologram. The Liddy Holo hologram kit uses one beam of laser light to hit both the object and hologram film to create your hologram. This is different from the traditional method of creating holograms because the laser beam is not split into an object and reference beam. With a more direct path, the hologram is more resistant to vibrations that can disrupt hologram creation. So remember, vibrations are the enemy of holograms. Be careful not to bump your hologram kit. Not to be confused with actual holograms, a holographic display is a variation of the illusion technique called Pepper's Ghost, which dates back to 1862. This technique, which uses reflections to create holographic displays, is still used today at haunted house rides in amusement parks. Holograms are best created in the dark. When you create your hologram, you will use a light shade to block ambient light, which can have an adverse impact on your hologram. For today's lab, you will choose whether to create a hologram of a car or your initials using letter blocks. If two participants share a kit, you need to decide which one of you will create a hologram first. Each hologram will take about 10 minutes to record. While you're waiting for the interference pattern to be captured on your hologram film, you will have the opportunity to view holographic displays using your tablet and the Holopex Vivid holographic pyramid. The Holopex Vivid uses a clear plastic pyramid that reflects light from your tablet onto the four sides of the pyramid to create a holographic display floating in the middle of your pyramid. You will view holographic displays stored within the Holopex applications. You can even create holographic displays of yourself using the Holopex Hologram Video Maker. Now it's your turn to create a hologram of your very own and explore holographic displays. Have fun!